I'm Madeline, and this is my working mom story. Being a working mom is something that I didn't ever anticipate doing. Growing up, my mom stayed at home with us when we were young. She homeschooled, and sort of that was my idea of what a mom did. So that was sort of my hope and my vision for my own motherhood. Like, yeah, I want to be a stay-at-home mom, but being a mom in 2018 and 2019 and forward is so different from when my mom was a mom in the 90s. So we have to be a two-income family. And so being a working mom was this piece of like, okay, this is just something that we're gonna have to do, and that's important for us to support our family and have a healthy marriage and to be able to live somewhere that is beautiful and safe and healthy for our kids. I dove into working when my daughter was about 6 months old, and initially I was a nanny, and so she came with me, and she was with me, and that was wonderful, and it was sort of this like balance of like, okay, I get to be with my daughter, but I'm also a working mom. And so finding that balance, initially starting to work outside of my home, was hard, and it took some time, and this like, okay, I've just got to lean into doing things excellently at work and then also doing things excellently at home. So we kind of got into a good routine, and then I transitioned out of that job, and now I'm working at a boutique, and I don't bring my kids with me, and they go to daycare, which was harder. That there was this piece of that sense of mom guilt of, oh, like I am sort of doing some delegating, and this piece of like other people are helping me take care of my children, and my parents have taken on some of that, and my husband, and so we all have created this village of people to take care of our kids. And that has been one of my big takeaways of being a working mom, where my kids don't come with me, that it's like, okay, I cannot even fathom trying to do this by myself. So like, shout out to all the single working moms, because they're the real MVP. But I have sort of built this community of people that I love and trust that now are helping to raise my children. And initially there was this sense of guilt of like, I am not the only one. But it's not a bad thing. It's such a good thing. There's this piece of like, my kids have grown and learned from other people beyond myself. So there's that wonderful piece of that this is bringing richness into their lives, that they are not losing anything because I am a working mom, which I think was my big fear. It's a big fear for a lot of people, I'm sure. Build your people, build your village, grow your community, lean on other people, recognize that your work makes you a better mom, and that being a mom makes you better at work. And so that is important, and recognizing that growing and learning is such an important piece of just being a good human. And when I am a good human, I'm a better mother.